Welcome to today's meeting.
欢迎参加今天的会议。
Today's meeting is about.
今天的会议是关于。
This is our agenda.
这是我们的会议日程。
The meeting is going to last no more than 1 hour.
会议将不会超过1个小时。
I think everybody is here.
人都到齐了。
Let's get started, shall we?
让我们开始吧。
We are going to get started with.
我们从开始。
I'm going to share my screen with you now.
我现在分享一下屏幕。
Can you see my screen?
你们能看见我的屏幕吗？
I'm going to put down my presentation now.
我现在开始展示了。
Could you speak more slowly, please?
可以说慢一点吗？
Could you speak up, please?
可以大声一点吗？
Could you explain that, please?
可以解释一下吗？
You are frozen.
你不动了。
There's an echo on the line.
有回声。
Sorry, would you mind if I ask a question?
抱歉，我可以问个问题吗？
Could I interrupt you for a minute?
我可以打断你一下吗？
Let's move on to the next item.
我们讨论下一个主题吧。
Let's make a quick summary.
让我们来做个总结吧。
Thank you for attending today's meeting. Goodbye.
感谢大家参加今天的会议，再见。